Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you what checks you can perform of your HUAWEI Nova 13 on the IMEI.info website. So, to get your IMEI number, open your phone app on your phone and dial this number. And this will result in you seeing your IMEI number of your phone, and then you can enter the result right here. And you will see some basic info about your phone, as well as the basic and advanced paid checks. You can, for example, check for your warranty. So let's just do that and press check HUAWEI warranty. As you can see, this phone is still under warranty. Okay, so let's perform a free blacklist check. As you can see, this device is clean. You can also check for the eSIM compatibility check. As you can see, this device does not support eSIM. And also the next check is a random email generator, which will generate 10 random emails for this model. Then you have the MAC address check and the MAC address generator. This will, when you type your MAC address, it will show some information that you can get from it. For example, it will generate 10 random MAC addresses, as well as the creation date, the country, the company name, and stuff like that. And we can also perform a carrier lookup by entering your phone number, as well as adding the device to a lost database of this website, IMEI.info. And you can also check if the device was added to this database. Here you can also perform a advanced check. Advanced checks, which are the blacklist premium check, which cost $4, or you can perform a HUAWEI unlock on this website by pressing the unlock HUAWEI, and you'll have to look to this website to find your solution. And that's pretty much it for this website. If you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.